Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a 1993 Toyota Celica. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2026. Don't be surprised, it's gonna be new for 2026, still manufactured in 2025. Just like model year of cars, where you get 2026 model year in 2025. It's just like that. It looks like a nice casting, it's part of mainline, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Toyota Celica out of its box. And the first thing first, the paint. Red paint with white wheels. It actually looks good. It does look like a nice little sports car. Let's start from the front. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You've got detailed front end. You've got detailed front end with detailed headlamps, turn indicator, grill, Toyota badge. It looks like flip headlamps. No. So maybe they did have. I think few cars in that era had headlamps which came out. So yeah, those. And looks like a vent for intercooler. You do get both the mirrors, and actually, I like the design of the mirrors. They look like the actual car rather than just squarish shape. So they look good. Well, I didn't notice Matchbox did some nice job here. That's a great job by Matchbox. You also get both the windshield wipers again, and if you look here, you can see slightly flared wheel arches. That's slightly sporty. Now coming to the driver's side, so it's a two-door sports car. So you've got the door with the door handle. It looks like a door pocket. Got turn indicator here, and you can see a small spoiler on the trunk here. Looks good actually. Coming to the back, again good details here. Windshield wiper in the back. You also get painted tail lamps, number plate which reads Celica, Toyota badge, Celica badge, and turbo 4-wheel drive. Might be 4-wheel drive. You also got this black surrounder on the number plate. Looks good. We did talk about the spoiler. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Don't see any differences. I don't know where the fuel filler is. The interior is done in black. Looks good. You can see some details there too. And they're not painted, but you can still see the gear lever, seats, cup holders, all those small details. So it looks like a nice casting. And I'm actually surprised by the mirrors because most of the older casting they just had like straight wheel, and this actually looks like one you get on the actual car. So the question, should you get this? I think you should. It looks really nice for mainline. It has got great details, and I think the color and the wheel combo also looks really good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.